Hi, this is Peter, and I'm going to show you how to use a vacuum syringe to prime your continuous ink system. When you receive a continuous ink systems, sometimes you'll receive an air line, such as this right here. You see there's a considerable amount of air bubbles in this line, so which can hinder the performance of your CIS system. So in order for you to do that, and if you need to prime your system, and if you happen to have a vacuum syringe such as this one, it will help you out tremendously as far as it comes down to priming a system. How this vacuum syringe works is when I draw the plunger out, it's gonna go ahead and draw air in through this way. But when I push it back out, it's gonna shoot the air, push the air out through an exhaust from a different hole, and that's gonna help us prime our system. So by first inspect your CIS system, see which color you need to prime first. By looking at here, it looks like I have to prime one of the blacks right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Make sure you have some napkins in handy too as well. I'm gonna go ahead and first take out the big plunger for the CIS system. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe down this area so it's clean when I insert my vacuum syringe. Okay, that was clean enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert my vacuum syringe on top, right here. I have to hold it with one hand, just so there's a airtight seal right here. So when I start extracting the plunger, no problem. If you zoom in on this this ink reservoir right here, you're gonna see some bubbles bubble up as I do this. See that bubble? That's actually the air bubbles from the line popping out. So I'm gonna go ahead and push the plunger back down and extract more air. You're gonna see more bubbles pop up right here. Watch. See those air bubbles? It's coming out to the top. I'm gonna keep doing that one more time. See the air bubble? And go ahead and pop it out. Be careful when you remove this vacuum syringe, because right now there's pressure built up into the system right now. So you would just carefully expose a little air gap so air could go back into the system. Like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. As you can see from the CIS system, it actually pulled all the air bubbles so it could allow it to escape, and it shot ink into the whole line. So as you can see from the line, for this black line right here, it's all full and it's all primed for the black cartridge. And the black cartridge right here, it's full. So that's how you use a vacuum syringe and for your continuous ink system.